Hello everyone, I am Jayesh Dewangan, member of SDG Group Corps. Today we will learn about sessions framework in Django. So, first of all, let us see what are sessions. Let's say we have a site logged in. We gave a username and password to the site, and the server will authenticate me as to use the site, right? So, next, if I wanted to go to another page of a site, let's say about page, I'll send a request. Now, instead of sending username and password again, I'll send just the request, and the server will authenticate me with the session details that it had made before when I had first gave my username and password. So this is how the session framework works. Actually, there is a session ID that is sent with a response, and it authenticates me all over the process. Now we will look at how we can do incorporate this in our project. So moving on, we will first we will just make a simple trigger like system which will tell us how many times we have visited the catalog. So it will just increment by one when we reload the page. So first of all, for this we will need to check the settings of our local library, if it has sessions or not, in installed app and the middleware. Here we are already have sessions. It generally comes with a boilerplate template that Django provides. So next we will go to views, and we will try to create a new variable named uh, nums visit. Okay, so first of all, we will just get the nums visit and initialize it as 0 is equal to request dot sessions dot get num visit and initialize it as 0. So next, we will increment the nums visit session by 1 in each time we enter the site. So for doing this, we will use request dot session nums visit. We will increment the nums visit by 1. It is actually num visit. Okay, so we will now have to display it, and actually we have just incremented it by 1, and now we will have to uh, display it in our site. So for doing this, we will just put the same thing in context, visit nums visit, and we will pass this as with the as context to our index.html. So for displaying it, we will go to index.html, create a new paragraph right here, and we'll write you have visited this site a num visit times. Num visit, for using pluralized thing, we will use this num visit That's it. So right here we have displayed you have visited 0 times. With each refresh, it will just increment this by one. This is implemented using the sessions ID. So that was all from my side. Like, share, and subscribe this video for more such content. And for knowing session, for knowing about session framework, you can head on to the links given below in the description. Thanks.